Hi, welcome back to Pappy Tinkers today. How's everybody doing? Well, I'm pretty excited because I just got a box from ICEMAN Collectibles. And this is my first order from them. I've never gotten any of these printed resin parts, so I'm excited to dig into this box. Actually, it's been killing me all day not to be able to open this. So here we go. I don't want to waste any more time. I don't want to talk about anything else. I just want to open this up and see what I got. I'm very new to the aftermarket resin stuff. I've done some of the wiring, the spark plugs and distributors and stuff like that, but none of this other kind of stuff that they have. And like the wheels and tire sets. Oh, all the different things. I was always so many kits I never bought just because I didn't like the wheels on the box. So here we have little ICEMAN collection stickers to go on the workbench. And this is really what I was waiting for. Sorry about the Tinker Dog interruption. Let's try this again. Okay, we got some new stuff. We got two sets of wheels, one set of tires, and let's take a look. I don't see an invoice in the box. I got a set of these Mopar style rims. Well, I've always considered them Mopar style. And a set of the BF Goodrich, I think 8s and 10s. The tires, yeah, they look pretty good. The radial TAs, and they slide up in there, nice and neat. I was under the assumption that the center caps came with these also, but perhaps I looked at the website wrong. I was thinking about a set of these on the Roadrunner that I'm building as a nice little street machine. Let's see if we can turn this around the other way and that fit up where it's supposed to fit. I think that'll look pretty good. Ooh, look at that color shine in this light. That's a custom color I mixed up too. And let's see with the skinnies, smaller front tires. It doesn't look like that one. Doesn't look like that one. Maybe it's that one. Okay, that seems to be fitting up in there. I think this shows a lot of potential. I'm not going to talk about this other set of wheels here for a minute. We're going to go and talk about, we're going to set those off to the side. And we're going to talk about the other things that came in my bag. I've built a whole lot of armor kits over the time, and it wasn't until I started adding figures to them that they really took life. So here I've bought two figures to try to paint up from ICEMAN Collectibles, and I have to say that the detail on these looks pretty good. It's got nice facial features. Maybe a little bit more texture to the hair would be nice. I can clearly see the pocket seams, and maybe I would have liked them a little bit prouder on some of them. But it's a mixture of some very delicate work and some places where it could be better. That's really cool. And I got another one just because it finally came in stock again the day that I was placing the order, because I thought the girl standing next to the car, yeah, that would be pretty good. Make for a good lifelike scene. Those are my intentions. Now, of course, my painting skills are not quite all up to that. On this, the hair looks a little bit better. It's got a ribbon in it. Nice tank top. I am excited to try these. I believe she's supposed to be wearing like leggings that go all the way down, so it's not much of a seam by the ankles. It certainly looks better than some of the painted ones I had found on eBay a few years ago with the big old huge gaudy eyes and very, very sloppy details. Nice muscle tone, nice fingers. I like the figures. I like the figures. I will certainly be getting more of them, and it was hard to narrow it down with two. So what else did I get? I think I got some Excel coils. Yes, I did. I don't know if you can see these, but these were very popular in the 70s and 80s to put on your muscle cars, on your rebuilders. Always painted yellow, and had the yellow and either red or orange boots, if I recall right. This looks better than any molded plastic thing that I've seen like this. Yeah, I might even find a use for this in this Roadrunner. But I do have a question about these wheels. I don't have the invoice with me, so I can't be sure. But I thought I had ordered the Gambler style, which is very similar to these center lines, except they've got 5 holes in each of them. I have been known to click the wrong button in the past, and this could certainly be a case of this, but there's no invoice in the box to double check, so I'll have to do that on the computer. And that would be a bummer if they messed up their first order from me, which has a mixture of very good with the figures, very good with the coils. I have to say I like the tires a whole lot. And I've never seen this type of rim in molded plastic, so I'm impressed about that. But if orders are coming out wrong, we'll wait and see. If it is my fault and I clicked the wrong button, this part's getting deleted from the video with a sincere apology. Other than that, it kind of changed how this video was going to go, because it was this other style of wheels that I was planning on using on my USA CC build, and I wanted to show a test fit of it, but there's no sense in bringing out the truck because these aren't the wheels I want on it. So we're just going to end this now until we find out what's going on with the order. Well, we actually are doing part 2 of the first unboxing, and from what I said earlier, there was a couple things that weren't in the box. So I contacted ICEMAN, and we had some good conversations, and he immediately sent out replacements of the center caps and the correct rims. So let's take a look and see if they got it right. Maybe I have the box upside down. Ah, there we go. Again, wonderful packaging. Everything should be nice and safe. And hey, look at this. I didn't order new tires, but it looks like they sent them anyways, and I see the caps in there. take a look at these gamblers. Yes, this is what I wanted. This is what I've been looking for and often thought about putting on one of my own cars. And he sent me a free set of tires too. This is pretty awesome. That was one of the things that he asked during our conversation, was if I needed these parts right away for a contest or something that needed to be thing, and he would overnight them. But I didn't, so it's all cool. And that was very nice of him to offer that. I was pretty impressed. And like I said, these are the little bitty. I'm going to have a hard time focusing on this. These are the little bitty caps that go with it. Where'd that go? These are the little bitty caps that go with the other wheels. I can already see I better be extra careful with that. I'm pretty sure he's not going to send me some replacements because I lose them. That's all on Pappy. Let the caps fit in there just like that. If I had tweezers, we could do this easier. Yeah, there we go. So, Mr. Iceman, thank you very, very much for the free tires that you gave me and the excellent customer service that you have. I haven't bought a resin engine from anybody yet, but you are certainly going to be the first one that I order one from. The hard part is going to be deciding which one, because you have so many excellent choices on your website. Once I get these all done and painted up, you guys are going to see a video of this. This is a new part of my model building experience, so it'll be fun for all. Again, thank you very much, Mr. Iceman, and we'll see you next time on Pappy Tinkers.